class. Good morning. How are you doing today? Good. Great. Excellent. Fine. All right. That's great. That's great. Excellent. We're almost finishing the semester, right? Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you happy?
A little sad
A little bit sad. Okay. Why is it? Why do you feel a little bit sad?
because I don't see my friends in the university.
Okay, probably you won't see your friends as much as you see them right here in Bachillerato, right? But don't worry, I know that you have a way in which you can communicate using social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. No? No, no, no? Okay, but don't worry. Probably you guys see each other. Alright? Well, for today, I have this very interesting topic for this class. The topic is about daily routine activities. So please, I want that you look at the screen, look at the TV, and try to guess what it is the action that it is happening on the first picture right here. What do you think is that?
Wake up.
Okay, this activity is wake up, right? Just repeat with me. Wake up.
Wake up.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. What is happening in the picture in the middle? Get up. Okay, get up. Right? That's good. Get up. And finally, on the last picture, on this side, what's happening right here?
Take a shower.
Take a shower, right? Do you take a shower every day?
Yes.
Yes, I do, of course, right? We live in a very hot city. Bogota city. This is very hot right now. So, in my case, I take a shower every day, and I know that you always take a shower every day. Is that right? Yes? You take a shower every day?
Yes.
That's good. Okay, so these are the verbs, these are the actions we're going to work with today in this class. Now tell me, what's happening right here?
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast. Okay? This could be eat breakfast, or eat lunch, right? Have lunch or have breakfast. That's correct. What's happening in this picture in the middle?
Getting clothes.
Okay, this is get dressed. Yeah, when you have your clothes ready, yeah, you get dressed. What is get dressed? Well, when you get ready, for example, when you go to school, when you wear the school uniform, and the uniform you have right now. Yeah, in the morning, when you are getting ready, after you wake up, you get up, you get dressed. All right. And what's happening right here in this picture? What is the boy doing? Put on his shoes. Okay? Put on the shoes. Right? So, for example, you have shoes, you have boots, you have trainers. Okay? I have black shoes. So, in the morning, I put on my shoes. Alright, that's good. Now, let's continue with other verbs, other actions. What's happening in the first picture? Right here on the left. Go to school. Go to school, right? Every day I go to school. Every day I go to school. I always go to school in the morning. Right? I always go to school in the morning. What do you say go to school? Well, first of all, because you can see that these two people right here, the boy and the girl, they have a backpack. So when you have someone who is having a backpack, probably you think that this person goes to school. All right. So now, what is happening in the second picture? Right here in the middle.
Brush hair.
Brush hair. Okay. This woman, this lady, brushes her hair. Or comb hair. Brush or comb. Right? Thank you. And what about in the last picture? What is this girl doing in this picture?
Brush the teeth.
Brush her teeth. Right? So, for example, in my case, I always brush my teeth 3 times a day. 3 times a day. So, how many times do you brush your teeth in a day? How many times?
2 times.
Twice. Okay, 2 times. Yeah, that's good. 3 times. 4? 4 times? No one? Especially for those who are wearing braces. Sometimes your dentist may recommend you to brush your teeth 4 times a day, 3 times a day. 3 times a day is like a common rule for everyone. Twice, maybe. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Now let's continue. What is happening in the first picture?
Go to sleep.
Okay, the girl goes to sleep. She goes to sleep. What time? What time do you go to sleep at night? At 10, right? At 9. Okay, that's good. Anyone else? What time do you go to sleep at night? At 11. Sometimes I go to sleep at 11, 11:30, midnight. Midnight is 12. 12 is midnight. Sometimes I go to sleep at 1 a.m. Well, that's for me that I am, an adult. But probably for you that you're very young, maybe the average time when you go to sleep is around 9 or 10 a.m., 10:30, 11 could be. Okay, thank you. And what's happening right here?
Eat lunch.
Eat lunch, or maybe have dinner. This at night is have dinner. Remember, we may have breakfast, have lunch, or have dinner in this case. Thank you so much. Okay, what is the boy doing in the last picture? Go to the bathroom. Okay, go to the bathroom, go to the toilet. Yeah. It's a common action that we do every single day, mostly in the morning, right? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so today we're going to work with these activities, with these verbs, about the daily routine activities. So, raise your hands, please. All students who know that you can do these actions in the morning. Yeah. For example, I wake up, I get up, I take a shower. What else do you do in the morning?
Brush my teeth.
Brush your teeth. What else?
Getting my clothes.
Get ready, yeah, get dressed, go to school. Yeah. All these actions are common actions for everyone. So please take a look. Right now I'm going to write down some examples for you. Right here. Alright. So I need a volunteer to tell me to read this sentence. Anyone who would like to tell me to read this sentence? Just one person. Yes.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Yes, thank you so much. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Yeah, this is my daily routine activity. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Thank you so much. Another volunteer who would like to tell me to listen, please.
I take a shower in the morning.
I take a shower in the morning. Alright, that's good. Thank you.
I have a sandwich for breakfast.
Yes, I have a sandwich for breakfast. All right. So now, these are some of the activities that you can do every single day. Right? You can do every single day. But now, we're going to start including other words. What are these words? Oh, these words are the adverbs of frequency. What are the adverbs of frequency? In a moment, I'm going to explain it to you. For example, we're going to start adding the adverbs of frequency. What are we going to do? We're going to add one more word to this sentence. For example, this one. I always wake up at 6 a.m. What is always? Oh, I wake up on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Every day, I always wake up at the same time. What is the time? 6 a.m. So I always wake up at 6 a.m. Other thing or another activity. I usually have a sandwich for breakfast, right? I usually have a sandwich for breakfast. What is usually in Spanish? Usualmente. So it means that I usually have a sandwich for breakfast. Not every day, not always, not all the time, but usually. Now another activity. This is very important for all students, right? Now I'm showing you one example. It says, I never play video games
In the
in
class.
class. Oh, while I am in class, I never play video games. But of course, in my free time, sometimes I play video games. But when I have a free time outside of the classroom, not in the school, right? So it's very important for you to remember this. I never play video games in class. Then I'm showing you another example. This time we're using the adverb frequency sometimes. Okay, it says, I sometimes watch action movies on the TV. Right? I sometimes watch action movies. Okay? And for example, in my particular case, I don't like horror movies. So I never watch horror movies. Maybe you're wondering, why you don't watch horror movies? Why you never watch horror movies? Oh, because I get scared. Right? Horror movies are so terrible for me. So I never watch horror movies. But instead of that, I sometimes watch action movies or romantic movies. Or science fiction movies, sci-fi movies, but those are great for me. Okay, thank you so much. Until this, do you have any questions? You can raise your hand if you have any questions about this information on the board. No questions? Okay, thank you so much. Alright, so now please, I need that you start copying this information into your notebook. Please, first of all, copy this information into your notebook. And after that, start copying the other sentences about the adverbs of frequency. If you have a highlighter or a marker, this one could be yellow, green, pink. Please remark the adverbs of frequency. Remark, please, right there on your notebooks, the adverbs of frequency. Okay? So please remember to copy all the information from the board. Copy all the information from the board, please. Thank you so much. Alright, remember, if you have any questions about the information from the board, please raise your hands and I will help you. Right? Alright, if you are finishing, please, I need that you create teams, 4 students per team, please. 4 students per team. And I will share with you these flashcards with the actions from the daily routine activities. Please start forming your groups, your teams. 4 students per team, please. 4 students per team. This is going to be one team. 4 students. Okay. So this is for you. You have another team. Probably you can create 2 teams. Right? This is for you. Probably you 3. You can work with 4 students. Right? This is going to be for you. This you can join with them. Right here we may have 2 teams. This is for the last 2. Prepare. This is for you. You create your team. Alright. What do you have right now with you? Right now, you have this list with the pictures and the actions explaining right there. You have to form your teams, 4 students per team. And this time, you need to start creating new daily routine phrases. In teams, help to each other, and you need to decide what are the actions you do every single day. You know, remember that we're talking about your daily routine activities and also the adverbs of frequency. What is that? Well, the frequency in which you are repeating this action. For example, you may say, I always go to school in the morning, or I always do my homework. I always play soccer with my friends in the park, right? Or I always take a shower in the morning or at night. It depends of you, right? It depends on the team. Please, we will have 5 minutes to complete your sentences. Remember that you have there with the pictures. Please use the pictures and join into a team. Please. Any teams, please? Use the verbs you have right there in the list. You have all the pictures. Please, together, you have to work and you have to write your daily routine. Okay? You have to write down your daily routine. Thank you. Remember to include the adverbs of frequency. Alright? The adverbs of frequency. Do you have any questions? What is the question? Do you have any questions? Yeah, right now you have to write here, based on the verbs, you have to write other sentences about your daily routine. Your daily routine. Thank you so much. Are there any questions? Yeah, you have to write down 7 sentences. 7 sentences with the verbs. Thank you. Once we finish, you're going to read one of your sentences. For example, on Sunday, I always wake up at 9 in the morning. But I get up until it's 10 a.m. So 1 hour, I'm on the bed. Maybe I'm watching TV. Wake up when you open your eyes in the morning. Then get up is when you move from your bed. You get up from your bed. That's it. Thank you very much. shower at 5 o'clock. But what is the other frequency? Always. Okay, I always take a shower at 5 o'clock. That's good. Mister, please?
I brush my hair every morning.
I brush
My hair
my hair every morning.
every morning.
Okay, thank you so much. Miss Evelyn, please, right there. Your team, one person. Okay, I sometimes go to bed at 9 p.m. Thank you so much. Your team, Mister, please. One sentence.
I want to 10 o'clock p.m.
Okay, I wake up at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Right? Thank you. And the last team, please.
Shower 7 minutes.
Okay, I usually take a shower at 7 p.m. Right? It depends on you. For example, I always take a shower in the morning, but you know we live in a very warm place. Here in Bogota, it's very hot. So she takes a shower. She usually takes a shower in the afternoon. That's correct. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. So let's continue with the last activity. I want to ask you. What did you learn today? What did you learn today in this class? Remember that we were talking about daily routine activities and also the adverbs of frequency. Remember that right now we can express the activities we do in a daily basis. For example, you that you're students, you go to school every day, you do homework, you participate in class.